How to catch a crab. These round mud crab traps are definitely the go. Theory says the bigger the tide, the more activity, so a good rule of thumb is to set your pots around the full and new moons. The other trigger is a creek or river flush brought on by seasonal or rainy weather. You can use fish frames to lure them in, but we've seen any number of weird and wonderful baits over the years. The crabs find their way in through openings in the trap, but then can't back their way out the same way they came in. One thing to remember is that crabs love mud, so drop your pots where it's muddy, not sandy. They're called mud crabs for a reason. Laying your pot in or at the front of a drain is common. Remember to tag your pots and read up on the take limits for your local area. You can get crab traps, pots and plenty of advice on where they might be lurking at your local BCF store.